There are 2 gas hobs within the kitchenette, powered by the butane gas bottle located in the rear left stowage compartment inside the boot. To access it, open both compartment doors and remove the bottom shelf panel. Then remove the shower head housing. Then unscrew the black cover on the gas bottle holder to reveal the bottle. Turn the gas on by turning the brass valve on top of the bottle anti-clockwise. When you have finished using the hob, turn the gas off by turning the same brass valve on the top of the bottle clockwise. You must always make sure that the gas has been turned off before driving the campervan.